Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds SHOKZ OpenRun Pro to Mini on your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices or the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here, I have stock Android, so near to the name, we have this pencil icon. On some devices, this icon located at the right top, and also some Android phones have a line with the name, not this icon. So I'm going to click at the pencil icon. You can click at the line, depend what you have on your phone. And right here, write the best one for you. You can also remove some text, but I want to only add this one. The most important is to click Rename to save this new name. On your phone it may be Done or OK or check mark or something else, so tap at that button, and as you can see, we just changed it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!